Hi, and welcome to Wild Nature. My name's Justine, and we have Noelle here with us today. And today we're going to talk to you about getting the most out of your Wild Nature face and body cream. This is the most divine treatment that you can put onto your skin. Whether you have oily combination face and dry body, dry face and dry body, or a combination of the two, this is a go-to. Wild Nature's Face and Body Cream contains chamomile and French lavender. It has organic aloe, vitamin E, sweet almond oil. It is an absolute delight to apply to your skin. When it warms to your fingertips, it evokes all the beauty of the essential oils that we use, and there's no better way to show you than to actually apply. I want to show you, if you can come in close here, how little I'm putting on my finger. That amount there will actually do your whole arm and over the top and over to the other side. When this warms to your skin, it spreads beautifully. So let's have a look. I'm going to use your other hand, Noelle. So again, just the smallest amount is all that you need. And when it warms to your skin, it just spreads beautifully. And because of my age, and for anyone really who's over 35, this is an ideal night cream that you can apply after your antioxidant serum. So at night I would cleanse, apply my antioxidant serum, and then I would apply my face and body cream actually over the top to seal it in, to allow the antioxidant to do all its magic while it's protected with this beautiful layer, this beautiful barrier. But again, it allows my skin to breathe. So the cream is something that you can use for your face, but again, just use it sparingly. It is, after all, 100% product. This is the 91 gram. We also, of course, do refill sizes, as we do with all of our treatments. The 500 gram is perfect, and then we also do a kilo tub as well, which comes in 2 times the 500 grams, so that you can keep it fresh. But of course, we always look at the best price for you, so we can really bring that down for you in this form. That's it for us for now. We look forward to seeing you soon.